Apply a thin layer of shaper or builder over a layer of cured bonder. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Apply a thin layer of color builder to the nail, starting at the cuticle area. Guide the product toward the extension edge to create the desired length and stiletto shape. Be sure to keep this layer thin and add additional coverage as needed. For a comfortable cure, slide the hand into the lamp for a full cure on button 2B. Remove the form. Apply a second layer of color builder, but do not cure. For full coverage and even coloration, apply an additional layer of color using the vertical feather stroke to reinforce the apex. Use the tip of the brush to feather the gel from side to side to taper along the sidewalls. Cure on button 2B. If needed, fill in low spots and taper to blend. Cure on button 2B. Remove top film with 99% IPA. Refine and smooth the shape. Use a Kanga file to refine the lower arch. Clean the nail. If color balance is needed, apply a thin layer. Cure on button 2B. Apply protector top coat. Cure on button 3. Clean the nail. Apply a drop of solar oil.